Everyone, Casey here for Home Quarters. We specialize in customized marketing solution to properly expose your unit for sale. Alright, so if you're watching this video, you're probably my client and it's actually in the process of selling your HDB. At this point, right, we are doing the acknowledgement of the resale document, right? Because most probably I have already done all the other things for you previously. Right, this is step 3 of the entire process, acknowledgement of the resale document, because most probably you have already gotten an SMS from HDB. So log into HDB resale portal, log in your SingPass. Once you log in, actually you will get a selling application. Press proceed then. Right, it will bring you straight to step 3, which is acknowledge resale document. It takes about 20 minutes of time. There are a few documents that you have to read through and understand, right? So take your time, press save as PDF. Actually, the small box will appear beside the document name, and then you have to physically press it to tick it to make sure that it means that you have read and understood that document. Make sure that your name is correct, your IC is correct, and then press endorse. So once that is done, they will bring you to the next page. At this point, importantly, make sure that you take down the name of the customer relation manager, which is your HDB officer that will be in charge of your case, and also the phone number that is beside her name. Also, do take down the resale case number. This is the number that you have to quote the officer when you do refer to your case. If let's say there are anything in particular that you have to ask the officer. Right? So once that is done, under your name, you'll be complete, right? The status will be complete. If let's say there are 2 sellers, the other seller will also need to log in using their SingPass to do the same process. So once that is done, it's time to pay fee. To go through, usually if let's say you are engaging the HDB lawyer to act on your behalf, there will be conveyancing fee, the GST on the conveyancing fee. If there are any registration fees, you have to pay as well. Usually will not go above $1,000, but of course depending on how much the price of the flat. So if you want to get a correct estimate, do log into HDB website to check the ballpark prices. At this point of time, you can pay using Visa, Master, or even internet banking or Nets. If let's say you do not have this, then you have to print out the receipt and then physically go down to HDB Hub to pay cash over the counter. Quite simply, after you pay your fee, you have to wait for HDB approval. Right, the resale approval will be granted about 1 week after both seller and buyer have acknowledged the required document and pay the necessary legal or stamp fee applicable. Right, HDB will actually inform you via SMS after the flat application has been approved. So look out for the SMS and also inform me once the SMS is done. Most probably you will get a time to attend your completion nearer to the completion date. Once that is done, also do text me. If let's say I do not respond, or give me a call. So then the last step will then be attend the completion appointment at HDB Hub at Toa Payoh. If let's say you are using a HDB lawyer, you have to be there yourself. If let's say you are using a private lawyer, then they can actually stand in to collect the keys from you. That's it for today's step-by-step for the seller HDB process and document process. I hope you find all this information helpful and useful. Alright, see you! If you're keen to work together with Home Quarters, do hit us up at www.homequarters.com.sg/contact us. For more content such as this, click here for more and click here to subscribe. Thank you.